Okay, so today we'll be making kind of Boombox Cartel Quix's style of 808, and it's really quick Quix tutorial, and it's pretty simple sound. So let's go ahead and start making this. So we're gonna be using Serum. So what this bass is all about is layering sine wave with a white noise and then adding distortion. And that's the thing I like to talk about pretty often. When you layer sine wave or bass with a white noise and then you add a soft distortion afterwards, it's gonna give you that crunchiness, the crunchy sound to this. And this is what we are gonna be doing today. We'll start off with a sine wave. Sounds like this, and then I'm gonna add a bright white noise. And as you can see on spectrum here, the bright white noise is a full frequency range. So you may want to cut these frequencies so they don't interfere with the sine wave. So that's what we are gonna be doing today. Just like that, I'm gonna use this filter with a high pass on this, and I'm gonna filter out the frequencies from the noise oscillator. So we want only noise oscillator to be affected by this filter, so I'm gonna switch from A to N, which stands for noise. And as you can see on spectrum right now, we cut some of these frequencies. We don't want to go this high, maybe. This kind of amount is good. So now I'm gonna go and add distortion. It's gonna be tube distortion. It works pretty well. So now, as you can see, we got this type of bass. Now we can try maybe decrease the bright white noise a little bit. Maybe not. Yeah, it doesn't change much. Yeah, we can try different wave even. So yeah, it's a kind of fart bass. So you can add this as 808. It's gonna sound perfectly. It's pretty simple bass. It works really good. So yeah, that was all for this video. If you want some high quality samples, I lately release world sample pack, kind of futuristic, nostalgic samples. If you're interested, go check it out. I also have some free stuff as well on my page, so if you want to grab something for free, then go ahead. And thanks for watching. See ya in the next one.